Now, this evening is about celebrating what our learners have achieved over the last year, supported by our many outstanding staff. That opening number from Bring It On just gives one small example of the many talented learners that we've got here at the college. Our learners' journeys can be difficult. They start their journey with us, and for many, they overcome significant challenges to achieve quite remarkable things.
Without the graft, you don't get the opportunity to show people what you can do. And I know in this room, there are a whole bunch of you now who've got incredible careers ahead of you.
So, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to give the Principal's Award for Outstanding Performance to Danny Haynes.
I'm studying the Level 3 Extended Diploma Health and Social Care. I started from the very bottom when I was in Level 1, and over the last years I've had so much support from everyone. I didn't even think I was going to finish Level 1, let alone finish Level 3 with 3 distinction stars and an unconditional offer. Honestly, I would definitely recommend Coleg Gwent to everyone because the tutors are so supportive. They know how to treat you as an individual. They don't just stereotype you to be who you are.
I'm incredibly proud to be the principal of Coleg Gwent. The most amazing thing about my job is being able to hear about these stories that our learners are able to tell about the journeys they've taken.